On March the 10th and 11th, about 2,000 tourists and staff members aboard the Zuiderdam cruise ship operated by the Holland America Line visited the port city of Dalian in northeast China and Tianjin municipality respectively. The Zuiderdam was the first international cruise ship that docked in northeast China since the country announced the full resumption of international cruise ship transport to and from its ports in September 2023. The itinerary of the tourists, hailing from some 30 countries and regions, featured visits to multiple scenic spots in Dalian and participation in cultural experience activities.
It's been enjoyable. We have a private tour guide waiting for us, and we're going to spend 4 hours seeing the city.
We're going to the Great Wall and the sights of Beijing.
这次旅客乘邮轮访问国内多个旅游港口和文化城市，使旅客近距离地感受到中华文化的灿烂，切身感受到中国经济发展的成果。崔德丹号邮轮是首次到访天津，未来的话，船公司会设计更多的丰富多彩的中国航线，带给旅客丰富多彩的体验。
Since the Spring Festival holiday, which lasted from February the 10th to 17th this year, China's cruise tourism market has seen a significant surge. According to data from China's leading travel platform, Fliggy, during the Spring Festival holiday, orders for cruise ship trips, including domestic and international cruise ship travel, increased by 445% compared to the same period last year. The flourishing cruise tourism industry also offers a glimpse into China's accelerated recovery of outbound and inbound tourist markets. According to China Tourism Academy, China's total inbound and outbound trips are expected to exceed 264 million this year, generating tourism revenue of $107 billion.